So of course we've done addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now we come to division. And there's two types of division taught in schools, simple division and long division. I'm just going to keep it as one big process, okay? But I'll do two examples to illustrate it to you. So let's start off with 673 divided by 4. So you set that up. So you take the number that you're going to divide by something. Okay, and if I was to write this as a fraction, and we'll talk more about that in the next chapter, this would be 673 on top. However, when I do it in terms of this division, I put that in the base space here. So under the bar and on the right, a little curly thing, and on the left, a little curly thing, I put what I'm dividing into it. So that's otherwise would be the denominator. If we wrote this as a fraction, what's on the bottom, or just what we're dividing into it. So you've got two numbers, something divided by something else. The first something goes in there, the second something you're dividing into it. And now we just do it step by step. So how many 4s are there in 6? And the answer is 1. And so we put that 1 there and we subtract it from the 6, leaving 2 over. So in other words, 6 divided by 4 is 1 with 2 left over. Now we bring down that next digit with that 2, so bring down the 7. So now we keep doing again. 4 into 27. How many 4s are there in 27? Well, you go 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So 24 is the best one before 27, and that's 6 4s. So 6 4s go there, and then 6 times 4 is 24. Do that subtraction, and we're left with 3. Bring down that last 3 there. Now we keep going. 4 into 33 is 8. Okay, the highest value multiple of 4 that you can do before 33 is 8 4s are 32. So put that in, subtract them, and we're left with 1. Now at this stage, depending what you're doing, and we'll do more in the next chapter, you can either say it's a remainder or you can turn it into a fraction. But regardless, I hope you appreciate that we can't divide 1 by 4 and get a nice number. So the way we would write this is that 673 divided by 4 is 168, remainder 1. Or we can get fancy and say it's 168 and 1 over 4 left, so 168 and a quarter. Try a more complicated long one, 3302 divided by 13. So I hope you all know your 13 times table. Well, 13 doesn't go into 3, so we leave that blank. 13 does go into 33. 33 is bigger than 13, so you must be able to put something in there. Now, 1 13 is 13, 2 13s, 26, 3 13s are 39. So obviously 26 is the one we get to before 33. So we're going to have 2 13s is 26. Do that subtraction and we got 7. Bring down the next digit there, so that's 0. Now we go 13, 26, 39, 52, 65, and that's as good as it gets. Or 65 is 5 times 13. So put that there, do the subtraction, leave us with 5, bring down the 2 there. Finally, how many 13s go into 52? Well, 1 13 is 13, 2 13s is 26, 3 13s is 39, and 4 13s is 52. So put that there, and of course 52 minus 52 is 0. So 3302 divided by 13 is exactly 254. So anyway, hope this didn't confuse any of you. There are things that I'm sure if you've seen them before, it might have been years and years and years ago, but you do need to get the process sorted out in your head, just in case your calculator runs out of batteries, and also to help you develop that number sense that is going to be extremely important throughout your whole maths career.